Let's get right to it. What everybody wants to know, how much snow are we expecting for tonight through tomorrow morning and through noon Thursday? Unfortunately, Megan, close your ears so you don't hear this, but it looks like these numbers may be actually trending lower with how much snow we may see. So I've made some adjustments from the forecast last night and our forecast from this morning and at midday, where much of the state is going to see less than an inch, especially off to the north. I'm still thinking there could be a band of 1 to 3 south of there and then heavier amounts further to the south. We're going to see a very tight gradient, meaning heavier snows to the south, and it's going to quickly fall off the tabletop there, meaning we're going to see our numbers dropping significantly as you go further to the north. So again, we're in the Lincoln area. I'm thinking maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow, perhaps 3. Parts of southern Lancaster County could see a little more than that. North of Lancaster County could likely see less than that, and up near an inch of snow out towards the Columbus area. Winter storm warnings are in effect for the county, or for all the counties shaded in pink. Winter weather advisories are in effect now for all the counties shaded in purple, and those run overnight through tomorrow morning, ending during the afternoon. Now, radar is showing you where the snow is at, and the key to this is all south of I-80, which lends me to my idea that we may be seeing less snow in the Lincoln area, but we can still see decent snow down towards Fairbury, Hebron, and Beatrice, and maybe perhaps Crete getting in on that action. We'll zoom into a couple of the areas where we're seeing some pockets of moderate to heavier snow, out towards Geneva, out towards Bryant, along Highway 74 and Highway 81. We're seeing some heavier snows being detected by radar, and you can see down towards Gage County, southwest of Beatrice towards Glenwood, perhaps a little heavier snows, and those just passed through the Fairbury area. So the snow is beginning to pick up. Take you to a live look right now in Beatrice. I showed you this off the top of the newscast. And what's important to notice here is it's hard to see the snowflakes falling, but we know there's some falling because there are some tire tracks on the roads there, meaning that we're probably getting a little bit of snow on the roads. Take you out to Shelton, 15 miles east of Kearney along I-80, and you can see reduced visibility due to the snow that is falling. And we've got snow now starting to accumulate on the shoulders of the road, also in the median of the road as well. Now, Stormcast, and I'll admit, this is not doing very well. In fact, I can't find a computer model that's handling the current snow very well, modeling it as to what it should look like on radar. But this gives you an idea. Still overnight, we will keep snow in the forecast through 11 o'clock. At times during the overnight, we may get some moderate snow, but again, I think the best chance for that's going to be south of Lancaster County, down near the Kansas-Nebraska state line. By 7 a.m., some snow showers still likely. We'll start to see the snow tapering off by mid to late morning, and I think once we get to the noon hour, most of the snow should begin to move out of here. We'll keep clouds around for the beginning of tomorrow afternoon. By late day, we'll likely see some drier air working in, and that should erode those clouds, and we should see the sun pop up briefly. So the what and when for Lincoln, you'll notice the probability of snow falling increases pretty quickly after midnight tonight through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're talking about an 80 to 85% probability, and then notice how it just quickly stops after we get past the noon hour. So overall, my freak out meter for the city of Lincoln, this is on a scale of 0 to 10 to let you know how big of a storm this is. I've got this currently at a 2, but we may need a shovel for some of you with driveways. Temperatures right now are in the teens to 20s. It is chilly outside, so we're definitely talking all snow out of precipitation that falls. We'll be dropping through the 20s and into the teens by tomorrow morning, with lows down into the single digits. Out towards Kearney, a low of 15 in Lincoln, and for tomorrow, not warming up very much. Highs will be in the middle to upper 20s. If you want to warm up, wait till the weekend. 41 degrees on Saturday, jumping to 64 degrees on Sunday. And then next week, we're talking temperatures in the 50s, 60s, and 70s for high temperatures. And look at some of the lows again, going from 6 degrees up to 74 degrees, a wild ride in temperatures over the next 7 to 8 days. Again, it's March. That's typically what we get this time of year, where we're going to get those big swings all together.